Hello and welcome to another one of our weather videos. But today we are looking at a ton of severe storms with Winter Storm Marcel here. But first, looking at our severe weather outlook, you can see that we have this giant area where we have likely large hail tonight with 2 inches plus, and then possible tornadoes all throughout the south today through tonight. But then looking at Sunday really quickly, we might get some footage from inside the storm when this severe storm does move over to the east, and we just have all these severe storms. But now, looking at our possibly most severe day on Friday, you can see that we're looking at these very severe storms all throughout the Mississippi with a likely tornado outbreak. And the same thing with Saturday, just along this Gulf Coast area. Then, quickly checking out Winter Storm Marcel, you can see that it's mainly focused only to the west, especially around these mountains where we're looking at up to 4 feet, but it's mainly just spread out throughout all these mountains in the west. Then, if we look at flash flood risk, you can see that we're currently dealing with a ton of flash flooding along the California coast, especially over the burn scars, which will lead to mud and landslides. But then looking at tomorrow, you can see that gets really bad over San Diego. And then eventually looking at Saturday, it's just extremely bad all throughout this giant area. Winter Storm Marcel is also going to bring in a big bam of snow with over 4 feet of snow around here all throughout this mountain range going from California to Washington. And then we're even getting snow down by San Diego and then just spread out snow all throughout these mountains and even a bit of snow on the backside of this system over here by Minnesota. Finally, looking at the radar, you can see that we're currently dealing with supercells over Texas with severe storms moving on to the coast ready to demolish the United States. But as we make the radar play out, you can see that this storm dies down by Friday morning, not doing too much. But then we have severe storms on Friday coming from this system that came off the Pacific, bringing in a ton of rain and very severe storms, like very, very severe storms, especially over Kentucky on Saturday. Going into Sunday, it'll stay very severe where it just eventually moves off the coast by Monday, where Winter Storm Marcel doesn't even die down.